13 minus 5, which equals to 25. And 5 minus 0, 5 minus 5, sorry, which equals to 0, okay? Then 25 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. In this expression, there is one parenthesis, here one multiplication, and here there is subtraction. According to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction, okay? If we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, 5 minus 5, which equals 0. Then 13 minus 5 times 0, okay? Then according to Pemdas, this multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction, because multiplication comes before subtraction according to Pemdas, okay? Therefore, we have to multiply this number, 5 times 0, which equals 0. Then 13 minus 0 is just equals to 13. This is the correct answer of this problem, okay? Therefore, the correct answer of this problem is 13.